Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding and Using Blank Lines in Python. Introduction. In Python, blank lines play a crucial role in enhancing code readability and organization. They are used to separate different sections of code, improve visual clarity, and make the code more maintainable. This tutorial will guide you through the various uses of blank lines in Python, along with code examples. Separating blocks of code. Blank lines are commonly used to separate blocks of code, especially in functions, classes, and loops. This helps in visually distinguishing different sections of your code, making it easier to read. Enhancing readability. Blank lines can be used to break up dense code and improve readability, making it easier for you and other developers to understand the logic. Creating visual separation. Blank lines can be used to visually separate different parts of a script or module, making it clear where one section ends and another begins. Documenting code. Including blank lines in your code allows you to create more space for comments, docstrings, and other documentation. This improves the overall documentation of your code. PEP 8 compliance. PEP 8, the style guide for Python code, recommends the use of blank lines to enhance readability. Adhering to PEP 8 guidelines improves code consistency across projects. Conclusion. Understanding when and how to use blank lines in Python is essential for writing clean and readable code. By incorporating blank lines strategically, you can improve code organization, readability, and maintainability. Consider these practices in your coding journey to create more legible and professional Python code. ChatGPT.